Hello, everybody. Today we will go through 3.8 section. 3.8 is about slope and equations of lines, and the learning target is this. The learning target is this to classify classify lines as parallel, perpendicular, or neither by comparing the slopes of lines. Classifying lines as parallel, perpendicular, or neither by comparing the equations of lines. And we have two equations that you really need to know. So if two lines are equal, first of all, um, you have this equation. You need to know three equations. Y equal mx plus c. All right, this is slope. And we know that x is variable. We also know that x is also another variable. C is intercept, is y-intercept. Okay, so y-intercept. We'll go through it right now. So when two slopes are, when we have two, when we are trying to, each line we will have one equation. All right, we will have equation one, which is y equal mx, y1 equal m1 x1, no, sorry, y equal m1 x plus c1. Equation number two, it will be y equal m2 x plus c2. Okay, so if m1 equal m2, they are parallel. If m1 times m2 equal -1, they are perpendicular. Okay, so using this information, right, we can do this. All right, example one, determine the line equation when given points. So we have four different points. We are trying to compare line AB and line CD if they are parallel, perpendicular, or neither of them. All right, so how do we do that? The slope formula, which I haven't taught you. Right now we have three formula, and I'm going to write the fourth formula, which is m, which is the slope, equal y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. It doesn't matter like this one is x1 or this one is x2, which it doesn't matter which one. Okay, and we can actually I can demonstrate to you. So m1 equal, in this case, on x1 is 2 minus 6, x2 is minus 9 minus 3. That's -4, -12. We simplify it, we get 1/3. Right, let's continue. On. So the second one which we can do is instead of using this as x1, we make it x2, and instead of minus 9 as x2, we make it x1. And we can do like m1 again. So it will be 2, no, sorry, 6 minus 2 over 3 minus 9. So if you look on the math, it will be 4 over 12 used to get 1 over 3. So it doesn't really matter which one you put at x1, x1, y1, x2, y2. And the second one, which we need to determine, is M2 for C and D. For C and D. M2. We can set this to x1, this to be x2. So what we get is 3 minus 4 over 2 minus 5. If we work on the math, it will be minus 1 over minus 3. Simplify it, we get 1 over 3. So m1 is equal to m2. Because m1 is equal to m2, that is parallel. Okay. So the answer for this question is parallel. Now suppose, right? Suppose this is not part of the questions, but I'm extending it. So let's say m1 is 1 over 3. Okay? And then m2 is no longer 1 over 3. m2 is actually minus 3. This is a new question. Okay? M1 is 1 over 3, M2 is minus 3. M1 times M2 is 1 over 3 times. Okay, it's not allowing me to write properly. Equal 1 over 3 times minus 3. You can simplify it and you get negative 1. If that's the case, this means perpendicular. Two lines are perpendicular. All right, that's it.